Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. In this video, I will try to make an assessment how high SMCI can go before the next earnings. I will use forward PE ratio to do this analysis. Now, let's get started. On your screen, you see the SMCI stock chart for the last 180 days with 4-hour interval as of now. The lowest point was 229 and the highest point is 1218. You see that after making all-time high, SMCI went down probably around 400 points. And here also, after making a high, SMCI went down probably 350 points. It's a good thing. After making all-time high, it made some correction. This will ensure that SMCI is not overpriced or overvalued at this point. Now, let's try to make an assessment how high SMCI can go before the next earnings. You see this table? I have the EPS forward, EPS trailing 12 months, P ratio with respect to trailing 12 months EPS, P ratio with respect to forward EPS, and adjusted closing price for last 30 days. EPS forward is basically this quarter's earnings actual plus next 3 quarters earning projection. EPS trailing 12 months is this quarter actual plus last 3 quarters earning actuals. We also have this table. This has the trailing PE and the forward PE for last 9 quarters. And also this table, this has EPS actuals and projected for last 9 quarters and also the earning surprise or earning miss. All greens are earning surprise and the reds are earning miss. And also I have EPS projected for next 4 quarters. Plus I have this table. This has the minimum, average, and a maximum earning surprise for last 9 quarters. For the minimum, I'm using 0 because there was one negative value, so I don't want to use negative because that will mess up my calculation. Now I'm ready to calculate minimum, average, and a maximum SMCI stock price before the next earnings. So I have already calculated these values. Let me show you the formula. For minimum, I'm going to use EPS forward as of now, and I'm multiplying it with the M31, that is this guy. This is basically the average value of the forward PE for the last quarter plus forward PE as of now and the forward PE using next 4 quarters earnings. The reason why I'm doing that, because historical forward PE has been too low. So they are not the good reflection of the future SMCI movement. So I'm not using those values. Okay, and they also represent not the bullish market but the bearish market. Remember, 2023 and 2022 was not the bullish market. So I'm ignoring those. In order to be as unbiased as possible, I'm using forward PE as of now, the last quarter when the earning was released, and the forward PE using next 4 quarters earning projections. So I'm calculating the average here, 30.73, using that here, M31, and then also I'm using the minimum earning surprise, that is 0. Okay, so that gives me 784. For the average, same thing, I'm using EPS forward, that is this guy, and also I'm multiplying it with M31, and that is the average forward PE for these 3 numbers. And then the third factor is M40, that is average earning surprise for last 9 quarters. For the maximum, same thing, EPS forward, and then L31, that is this guy. I'm using forward PE with the future earnings, next 4 quarters earning. So that gives me 34.61, and then the maximum earning surprise, and that gives me 1223. So in my opinion, SMCI before next earning should be moving between 784 and 1223. As of this point, SMCI is at 957, close to the average price, but there's still some room for SMCI to go down or go up. But I'm not expecting SMCI to go above 1223 in this quarter before next earnings. I'm going to upload this sheet on my Patreon account. So if you are an exclusive Patreon member, you can access the sheet from there. I have put the link of my Patreon account in the description. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.